welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Slow Waltz Practice Routine number 3. So this was taught on Monday the 2nd of May 22. If you're looking in my video library on my website and you're looking for the full lesson, it was the Slow Waltz and Cha-Cha 90-minute Improver lesson taught on the 2nd of May 22. Let's have a little look at what we did. We did 2 box steps. So that's 4 closed changes, and I started on my right foot and I wanted full rotation by the end of it to come back to the beginning. Back, forwards, back, and forwards. We were increasing the amount of rotation compared to the last time we looked at the slow waltz in this class. Okay. The next step we did was a whisk and wing on followers timing. Whisk and wing. And I was aiming to put my body facing my left wall. Okay, remember this is dancing solo, living room adjusted. I then did 12 steps for a weave, a living room weave. So I'm going to go back on my right, open on my left, forwards on my right. Forwards, open, back, back, open, forwards, forwards, open, back. So I'm in a slight rectangular shape. Okay, and I've got myself back to where I started with 12 steps in a weave. Let's do everything up until there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, whisk, 2, 3, wing, 2, 3, weave, 2, 3, weave, 2, 3, weave, 2, 3, and weave, 2, 3. The last part of the weave, I'm finishing on my left foot. I'm taking quite a lot of the weight into that as a little backwards check because I want to go forwards on my right foot for a follower's timing spin turn action. 1, 2, 3. And again, because we're in the living room, I'm trying to look left to right. So the rotation isn't exactly the same as it would be in the ballroom, but it's still just a good practice. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to do a little forwards check on my left and open out. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do a couple of rondes taken from the American smooth style of our slow waltz. Ronde, ronde, in hesitation timing. So I take the 1 step and I ronde for the 2, 3. 1, ronde for the 2, 3. And you can take that leg as wide or as narrow as you want, depending on the balance, the floor that you're trying to do this on, and how you would like this to look. Remember, it's just little living room practice at the moment. So, last little step. Did the 2 rondes, and I was facing my left wall. I'm going to do the leaders timing for a reverse corte. So I'm going to go back, heels together, and then settle and sit on my right foot. So in the class today, on the 2nd of May 22, we have looked at the reverse corte as a new step in our slow waltz improvers class. Let's do the whole thing together from the top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Whisk, 2, 3, wing, 2, 3, weave, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Spin turn, 2, 3, and check. 2, 3, ronde, 2, 3, ronde, 2, 3, and, oh, went wrong. Back, heel turn, and sit for the reverse corte. Oh my goodness, let's just do that once more. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Whisk, wing, weave, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Spin, check, ronde, ronde, and back, and settle. There we go. So I counted the 12 steps of the weave there. Obviously 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So 4 bars. 12 steps, however you choose to count it. Make sure you're still on time. You know, as we are not able to demonstrate everything with music because of the YouTube copyright restrictions. So unfortunately I'm doing all of these, if you're watching this on YouTube, without any music. But for those of you that have joined me in the lesson, we practice this plenty with the lesson, but you have my Spotify playlist and you can just access that as you need to. Look for the Slow Waltz playlist. Guys, thank you so much for watching me. Keep supporting me. If you're watching in YouTube, don't forget to hit the little subscribe and notification button. That really, really does help me build the YouTube channel and tell YouTube that people are enjoying watching my videos, and helps me reach more people. And for those of you supporting me in my video library, again, thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it.